electricians waste time not because the job is hard, but because their tools are outdated. What if the right tools could help you diagnose faster, work safer, and finish jobs with total confidence? On AU Techverse, you're about to see powerful new tools every electrician should have. And every single one is linked in the description so you can check them out instantly. L14125-in-1 Cable Stripping Tool. When you're working on multiple cables in a tight space, switching between tools can slow everything down. The L14125-in-1 Cable Stripping Tool is designed to handle that exact situation. It allows you to strip different types of cables cleanly and consistently without damaging the interconductors. Whether you're prepping wires inside a panel or working on quick residential fixes, this tool keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. Its compact design also makes it easy to carry and use with control. In real-world jobs, this is the kind of tool that saves both time and effort every single day. 32,511-in-1 Screwdriver. Nut Driver. On a typical job site, you're constantly switching between different screw sizes and nut drivers, which can quickly become frustrating. The 32,500-11-in-1 Screwdriver/Nut Driver solves that by combining multiple tips and nut driver sizes into one compact tool. It's especially useful when you're working on panels, outlets, or fixtures where space is limited and speed matters. The interchangeable shaft system lets you adapt instantly without reaching for another tool. In real working conditions, this means fewer interruptions and a much smoother workflow. It's a reliable all-in-one solution every electrician will appreciate in daily use. WASI ET450 Advanced Circuit Breaker Finder and Wire Tracer Kit. Tracking down the right breaker in a busy panel or identifying a hidden wire can easily turn into a time-consuming task. The ET450 Advanced Circuit Breaker Finder and Wire Tracer Kit is built to simplify that process with accurate signal tracing and clear identification. In a real-world scenario, like working in a commercial building with multiple circuits, this tool helps you quickly locate the correct breaker without trial and error. It reduces guesswork and improves safety by ensuring you're working on the right line. This is the kind of tool that turns a frustrating job into a controlled and efficient task. 65233 Hex Bit Socket Set. When you're dealing with hex fasteners inside panels, equipment, or mounting hardware, having the right fit is critical to avoid stripping or slipping. The 65233 Hex Bit Socket Set gives you a range of hex sizes that work seamlessly with drivers and ratchets, making it ideal for both installation and maintenance work. In real scenarios like assembling electrical enclosures or tightening terminal connections, this set helps you work with confidence and precision. It reduces the need for multiple separate tools and keeps your workflow uninterrupted. This is a dependable set that ensures clean, secure fastening every time you use it. 935 DAG Digital Electronic Level and Angle Gauge. When you're installing panels, conduit runs, or mounting equipment, even a slight misalignment can affect the final result. The 935 DAG Digital Electronic Level and Angle Gauge helps you get precise measurements with clear digital readings while making alignment tasks much easier. In real-world situations like setting conduit angles or leveling electrical boxes, this tool gives you quick and accurate feedback without relying on guesswork. Its compact design allows you to use it comfortably in tight spaces where traditional levels can be difficult to manage. This is the kind of tool that ensures your work looks clean, professional, and perfectly aligned every time. ET310 AC Circuit Breaker Finder. Finding the correct breaker in a crowded panel can waste a lot of time, especially when circuits aren't labeled properly. The ET310 AC Circuit Breaker Finder makes this process simple by helping you identify the right breaker quickly and safely. In a real job scenario, like working in a residential home or office, you can plug in the transmitter and scan the panel with the receiver to locate the exact circuit without trial and error. This reduces unnecessary shutdowns and keeps your workflow efficient. It's a practical tool that saves time and adds confidence when working with live systems. 8020 Plier Set. On any electrical job, you constantly switch between gripping, cutting, and bending wires, and that's where a reliable plier set becomes essential. The 80020 Plier Set gives you a combination of commonly used pliers designed for everyday electrical tasks. In real-world situations like wiring outlets or managing cable runs, having multiple pliers ready means you don't have to compromise on precision or control. Each tool is built to handle repeated use while maintaining a solid grip and clean cutting performance. This set simply makes your daily work more efficient and dependable from start to finish. VDV 226-110 Ratcheting Modular Data Cable Crimper. When you're terminating network cables, consistency is everything, especially on jobs where multiple connections need to be perfect. The VDV 226-110 Ratcheting Modular Data Cable Crimper is designed to deliver clean and secure crimps for modular connectors without guesswork. In a real-world scenario like setting up office data lines or security systems, the ratcheting mechanism ensures proper compression every time before releasing. This reduces failed connections and saves you from rework. It also keeps your hand effort controlled during repetitive tasks. This is a tool that brings reliability and precision to every data cable installation. NCVT1P Non-Contact Voltage Tester. Before touching any wire, knowing whether it's live or not is critical for safety. The NCVT1P Non-Contact Voltage Tester lets you check for voltage without making direct contact, which makes it ideal for quick and safe inspections. In real situations like opening a switch box or working on an outlet, you can simply bring the tester close to the wire and get an instant indication if voltage is present. This helps you avoid unnecessary risks and speeds up your initial checks. It's a simple but essential tool that adds an extra layer of safety to every electrical job. 11063W Wire Cutter/Stripper. When you're working with different wire sizes throughout the day, switching between cutting and stripping tools can slow you down. The 11063W Wire Cutter/Stripper combines both functions into one reliable tool, allowing you to make clean cuts and precise strips without damaging the conductor. In real-world tasks like wiring outlets or preparing connections inside a panel, it helps you move quickly while maintaining accuracy. The design supports consistent results even during repetitive use. This is a practical, everyday tool that keeps your workflow efficient and your wire prep clean and professional. RT250 GFCI Outlet Tester. When you're verifying outlet safety, especially in kitchens, bathrooms, or outdoor areas, you need a tool that gives clear and reliable results. The RT250 GFCI Outlet Tester is designed to quickly check wiring conditions and test GFCI functionality with simple indicators. In a real-world scenario, like inspecting a newly installed outlet or troubleshooting a faulty one, this tool helps you confirm proper wiring without opening the box. It saves time and reduces uncertainty by giving instant feedback. This is a must-have tool for ensuring electrical safety and code compliance in everyday jobs. VDV 500 to 820 Wire Tracer Tone Generator. When you're dealing with hidden or unlabeled wires, identifying the correct line can quickly become frustrating. The VDV 500-820 Wire Tracer Tone Generator helps you trace cables by sending a signal through the wire, making it easier to locate and identify from a distance. In real-world situations like troubleshooting network lines or sorting through bundled cables, this tool allows you to work with clarity instead of guesswork. It reduces time spent on trial and error and helps avoid mistakes. This is a practical solution for anyone who regularly works with complex wiring setups. 46039 Cable Splicers Kit. When you're repairing or extending cables on site, having the right tools in one place makes a big difference. The 46039 Cable Splicers Kit is designed to support clean and secure cable splicing without unnecessary delays. In real-world situations like fixing damaged lines or joining cables in a controlled setup, this kit helps you prepare, strip, and connect wires with better accuracy. It keeps your workflow organized and reduces the chances of weak connections. This is the kind of kit that ensures your cable work stays reliable and professionally done every time. VDV 501-851 Cable Tester Kit. When you're installing or troubleshooting data and communication lines, knowing whether a cable is wired correctly is crucial. To the VDV 501-851 Cable Tester Kit helps you verify continuity, wiring configuration, and detect common faults quickly. In a real-world scenario like setting up office networks or checking existing connections, this tool allows you to test both ends of the cable and confirm everything is working as expected. It saves you from chasing signal issues later and ensures a clean installation from the start. This is a reliable tool that brings confidence and accuracy to every cable testing job. CL800 Digital Clamp Meter. When you're measuring current in a live circuit, safety and accuracy are critical. The CL800 Digital Clamp Meter allows you to measure AC and DC current without disconnecting wires, making it ideal for quick diagnostics. In real-world scenarios like checking load on a panel or troubleshooting equipment, you can clamp around the conductor and get precise readings instantly. It also measures voltage, resistance, and other electrical values, giving you a complete picture in one tool. This is a dependable meter that helps you diagnose problems efficiently while working safely on active systems. 80179 Scout Pro Max VDV Tester Set. When you're working on complex voice, data, and video installations, identifying and verifying multiple cables can quickly become overwhelming. The 80179 Scout Pro Max VDV Tester Set is designed to simplify that process by helping you test, locate, and identify different cable types with clarity. In real-world jobs like structured cabling in offices or large buildings, this tool allows you to trace lines and confirm connections without confusion. It reduces downtime and avoids miswiring issues. This is a powerful testing solution that brings control and efficiency to advanced cable installations. 69149P Electrical Test Kit with Digital Multimeter. When you're handling multiple electrical checks in a single job, carrying separate testing tools can slow you down. The 69149P Electrical Test Kit with Digital Multimeter brings essential testing functions together, allowing you to measure voltage, current, and resistance with one reliable setup. In real-world situations like diagnosing faults in a panel or checking circuit continuity, this kit helps you move efficiently without switching tools constantly. It keeps your testing process organized and accurate from start to finish. This is a practical all-in-one solution that supports confident and efficient electrical troubleshooting. RT39 Circuit Analyzer. When you're inspecting electrical systems, especially in older buildings, wiring issues can be hidden and difficult to identify. The RT39 Circuit Analyzer helps you detect wiring conditions and analyze circuit status with clear feedback. In real-world scenarios like checking outlets for correct wiring or diagnosing faults in a system, this tool gives you quick insight without needing to open connections. It helps you spot problems early and ensures everything is functioning as expected. This is a reliable tool that improves both safety and accuracy during electrical inspections. D248-9ST Diagonal Cutting Pliers. When you're cutting wires all day, you need a tool that delivers clean cuts without slowing you down. The D248-9ST Diagonal Cutting Pliers are built for strong and precise cutting performance, even making them ideal for handling different types of wire on the job. In real-world use, like trimming excess wire inside panels or cutting cable ties during installations, these pliers give you control and consistency with every cut. They're designed to handle repeated use while maintaining sharpness and reliability. This is a dependable cutting tool that keeps your work clean, efficient, and professional. 935 DAA Digital Electronic Level and Angle Gauge. When precision matters, especially during final installations, even a slight angle error can affect the entire setup. The 935 DAA Digital Electronic Level and Angle Gauge gives you accurate digital angle and level readings, helping you align components with confidence. In real-world scenarios like mounting panels, aligning conduit bends, or setting equipment perfectly straight, this tool removes guesswork and speeds up adjustments. Its compact form makes it easy to use in tight working areas where traditional levels struggle. This is a precision tool that ensures your finished work looks clean, accurate, and truly professional. Now, if you made it this far, you already know these tools aren't just upgrades. They're essentials for working smarter every single day. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, drop a comment with your favorite tool, and subscribe to AU Techverse for more practical tools and tech that actually make a difference in real work.